All right, so we're going to deal with the last set in this particular section. This is actually not very difficult if you closely observe what is happening here. Ideally, this question you should be able to do it in about 7 to 8 minutes, worst case 10 minutes. It is easy to moderate in between. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. There are four people A, B, C, D, none of whose ages is a single digit number, and who are all less than 100. So they are between 10 to 100, 100 not included, 10 may be included. Okay, now there are some statements made. First one, Amir says the difference between my age and Dharam's age is a perfect square. Now, whenever you see a statement difference between two people's age, we will not know what minus what. So, ideally, I will take a minus d, the modulus is equal to a perfect square, k square, because it could be a minus d or d minus a. Please don't stick only to a minus d. Okay, this statement, whenever you come across this, it means it is either way. Next, I notice that my age is a prime number. So D is a prime number, right? And it is the sum of Bobby's and Chunky's age, and D is equal to B plus C. Then Amit says my age is also a prime number. So A is also a prime number, which is equal to the sum of ages of Dharam and another person. So A is equal to D plus one more person. Now we know that A is greater than D. Therefore, this first statement can be written directly as A minus D equal to K square, which also means the other person should be K square, because A is equal to D plus K square. So this other person is D square, K square. Who is that other person? It could be B, or it could be, I don't think it could be C. C is not possible. I think this has to be B, because we have defined C, we have defined B, we have defined A. We'll see, but let's go ahead and see what is possible here. K, we are still not sure. We'll come back to it probably. Chunky says my age is a number such that it is a sum of all the numbers between and including the digits of my age, which means if I take an example of 15, then you can see 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 should be equal to 15. If it is 15, this is a possibility. Just take a look at it. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So 15 may be a possibility. Similarly, there could be other numbers. So such a number is your C, right? So there might be many numbers. We don't know. Let's keep it aside. Bobby says no pair of two people out of the four of us is the same age, which means A, B, C, D are all distinct. They are all distinct. Now, Dharam says the age of one of the persons is the smallest prime number, which can be expressed as the sum of five distinct prime numbers. Now, five distinct prime numbers, if you start with 2, you will see 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. The problem is this will not be a prime number, because you need the sum also to be a prime number. This should be a prime number. So, when there is an even number plus 4 odd numbers, this is not possible. So, 2 cannot be one of these numbers. So what else is it? So take 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13 and see what happens. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 11, 26, 26 plus 13, 39. 39 is not a prime number. So this is also not possible. What else is the next possibility? We are looking at the smallest, the first minimum most possible number like this. So change 13 to 17. That's where you're trying to keep the total less. So you will take the highest possible number and replace it with the next highest possible number. If you take 3 and replace it with 17, you are taking out a small number and adding a very big number. That will increase your overall total. That's the reason why you will always, when you want to keep the total small, take out the largest number and bring in the next possible number. So now you'll be looking at 3, 5, 7, 11, 17. 17 plus 3 is 20, 20 plus 11 is 31, 31 plus 7 is 38, 38 plus 5 is 43. So now you can see that one person's age is 43. Okay, so this, who's 43 we don't know, but one person's age is 43. Dharam, one of the age of one of the persons is 43, right? We got this 43. Right, let's move on. So now coming back to the k square, which of these should be k square? Now obviously k square cannot be a, because you can see already a is in the equation. So if k square equal to a, then that will get cancelled and you will get d equal to 0. Also you can see k square cannot be equal to d, because already d is here. If d is here, another d, so you will be saying a equal to 2 times of d, but a is a prime number. That's not possible. Now the possibility is k square, can it be equal to c? If k square is equal to c, but remember c statement is the sum of the digits between these two, two-digit number should be adding up to the number itself. So what are the perfect squares? You have 16, 25, 36, 49, 7 to the 49, 8 is the 64, 9 nines are 81. Now 1 to 6 if you add, will you get 16? No, we just saw 1 to 5 will get 15. 2 to 5, will this be adding up to 25? So you can see 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. So 25 also is not possible. 36, 3 to 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 8, 18. Not possible. 4 to 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is this possible? 49. 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 plus 7, 24, 30, 35, 39, not 49. So 6 to 4, 64. So 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6 is 15, not possible. 81, 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see the sum will not be 81 at all. So you can see that C cannot be K square because the only possible values of K square will not match up to C. So if K square is also not C, the only possibility for K square should be B. Right? So your K square is B. So now the question is which one is 43? 43 is a prime number. So A and D's are prime. So 43 could be A or 43 could be D. One of these two. Okay. So let us figure out which of this is a prime number. So first case, if I take A as 43, then 43 is equal to D plus K square. So it could be 16 or 25. You cannot have 36. Why can't K square be 36? Because if K square is 36, then D will become a single digit number because 43 minus 36. 43 minus 36 is 7. So D cannot be 7. So anything more than these two values are not possible. So 36, 49, 64, anyway 81, all of these are not possible. So now take a look at D. In this case, D will be 43 minus 36. How much is that? 7 and 27, which is not a prime number. So this is ruled out. Now the other possibility is D is 43 minus 25. So 43 minus 25 is 35, 45. So this is again 18. 18 is also not a prime number. So A cannot be 43, which means 43 has to be D. So D is 43. If D is 43, now let's take a look at which values could be A. So now let's take a look at A values. So if D is 43, then your A will be 43 plus 16. How much is this? This is 59. Could be possible. What about the other possibilities? 43 plus 25. Obviously, even, odd plus odd is not possible. So let's not even worry about odd numbers. It should be odd plus an even number only. So 25 is not possible. The next possibility is 43 plus 36. This will be 79. Maybe possible. And the next possibility is 43 plus 49 is not possible, so 64, but 64 is crossing your 100. So A has two possibilities, for 59 and 79. So A can be 59 or 79. Now if A is 59 or 79, in which case, for the first case 59, your B should be equal to 16. In the second case, your B should be equal to 36. Okay, so these are the values that we get. So let me just erase what I don't want and write down things very neatly so that you can follow from here. All this, I don't think we need it. So I'm just creating a little bit of space over here. Right. So we have these possibilities. A, B, B is two possibilities. Correspondingly, A are two possibilities. Whichever way it is, D has to be 43. Now, where is C coming? C is over here. D is B plus C. So what is C? C is D minus B. So D is 43. So it is 43 minus 16 or 43 minus 36. So 43 minus 36 cannot be possible once again. This is a single digit number. So this is gone, which means these two possibilities are gone. So A is 59 confirmed, B is 16 confirmed, which means C should be 43 minus 16, which is 27. I hope that's correct. 20, 30, 36, 43. Correct. And now verify. C should be 2 to 7. Total should be 27. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 plus 4, 10. 7 plus 7 plus 3. Another 10. So 20, 25 and then 2, 27. So you can see it is fitting perfectly. So you will get A as 59. B as 16, A is 59, B is 16, C as 27 and D as 43. So let me write down the values. A is 43. Okay, so we have A value is A is 59, B is 16, D is 43, and ABC. C was 27. So what is Amir's age? Amir's age is 59. What is the sum of digits of Bobby's age? Bobby's age digits is 7. What is the product of the digits of Dharam's age? Dharam's age product is 12. What is the sum of ages of the four people? The sum of these four is 50, 60, 100, 120, 130, 139, 145. So this is 145. This is not a lengthy set. This could have been done in 8, worst case 10 minutes, 9 minutes around. That's the time. So approximately 3 sets a good student could have done in this kind of a mock.